So now we're going to break up our chicken into our bowl. Now, you can cook chicken for this, or you can use leftover barbecue chicken. So I usually plan this lunch for the day after we have a barbecue, and then I just do a couple extra pieces of chicken, and it actually tastes better when you use barbecue chicken because it's got that delicious smoky flavor. Now add the mayonnaise, the salt and the pepper. Into your pan, pop some butter and let it melt. If you are backwoods camping, you can use oil instead. My little violet stove works really well, but you can use this on the fire too. Now, butter's nice and melted and coated on the bottom of the pan. So now lay your first tortilla down. And let's spread our chicken and mayonnaise over the top. Over your chicken mayonnaise, let's lay our cheese. Now, I'm in the woods, so I've sliced the cheese, but if you grate it, it will melt faster. And all your cheese is in, put your other tortilla over the top and fry gently on both sides until golden brown. Thanks so much for joining me on my farm. I love having you here, and I love sharing my recipes and bushcrafting tips with you. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and we'll be posting a lot more this summer. Thank you, bye!